What's up, machine?
I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
We're gonna try to get into the car, lock myself out, because I'll be fucking damned if I pay $100-something to a goddamn tow truck driver. So let's see if one of these 10 hangers here can do the job for me. Maybe I'll meet a friendly stranger along the way. Right? Maybe somebody who knows a little better how to do this than me. Hey. Okay, first try. I hope that it at the very least, fits into the hole here. Okay, first try. Are we in? I'm in something. Not quite where I'm trying to go. Wait a second. We could be on this something there. If this works, I will stick a fucking wire hanger underneath every car I have in the future. Or I'm gonna have to pay $170 to a fucking tow truck driver. Lord have mercy. The last time I needed a locksmith, he literally materialized in front of me. So we're praying to the gods of locked cars now. Send me a hero.
Are you getting it inside the car?
I don't know. You ever done this?
Yeah, I got a kit for it, but I don't have it with me.
Man, I called so many fucking locksmiths, nobody even answered the phone.
Let me see if I can help you with it.
Thank you. Hey, look.
That's a start. I don't have a lot of stuff with me, but we don't need a whole lot anyways.
Okay.
All we gotta do is really just get this in here, and then you'll have a good opening.
Just some stuff to like jam it open, kind of.
Yeah.
Like that balloon that they be using.
Yeah, that's exactly what you need, man. So.
Sorry.
What we need is like a flathead.
Well, if I could open my trunk, I could give you every tool I need. That's why I decided not to buy a locksmith kit the last time, because I was like, where the fuck I'm gonna keep it? Bro, that's a huge gap right there. Hold that just like that. Yeah. Okay. Hold that.
See, there we go. Now that's in there. See, now that that's in there, we can actually get in here.
Oh, yeah.
See, there you go. That's what you needed.
Okay. Let me get it in on this side instead so that I don't have to go around this fucking thing. What's your name, dude?
Bryson.
Thanks, Bryson.
Here, take this out like this. Just take it out here. And then get a nice. You got the right tool at least.
Yeah, I was hoping they'd at least have wire hangers.
Where's your door handle pulled out?
Right here, you see
So
this
you're
little...
gonna put it in here like this. I want to just push this white end in. Yep, just try and stuff that in there. That's all. We can go like this.
It's gotta go like that's getting to the top.
Here, you hold this, try and push it in. I'm gonna pull the door out a little.
We might have to go from the side. Let me try.
Alright.
Let me try going for the side again, because that one, it went right in.
Also, if you can get the back too.
The back was the one that was, but you know, it doesn't have a button. This one's got just one simple button on it, or lever that you gotta pull up, like the good old days. We could make this happen. Okay, update. We've made it. Key in the fucking ignition. Some dude came by, he gave me a bunch of tools and stuff in my car door to help me get the thing. So, I don't remember what he said his name was. It started with a D. But we'll just leave his stuff on his car. And just express that I'm greatly remorseful. Whew. A little stressful. Part of me knew that the next time I locked myself out of my car, I was gonna break into it. Because of how much these motherfuckers will charge you to get in. But, well, I was hoping it wouldn't be today. Look. Reconnected. Leave all of your keys connected to one another for the sake of time and locksmith stuff. Look at all these tools we use. Just a bunch of random shit stuffed into the fucking thing. People probably think I'm about to break into his van. Anyway, I'm out here in Cedar Rapids.
I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
They got a nice Walmart community. Very kind people help you break back into your car. And well, what else can you ask for? Good people loitering outside of the Walmart. Cheap prices inside. Copy paste nation to help you get to and fro every 10 miles to the same 10 places. God bless America. Dude, I was worried you were gonna miss it. I just got it like 2 seconds ago. It was with the two. I had to use two at the same time for the leverage. Thank you so much, man. Seriously, what's your name?
No problem.
What's your name again?
Bryson.
Bryson? Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
Hero. I got all your...
I drove my van.
Huh?
Lucky I drove my van and not my sports
Yeah,
car.
but yeah, all my shit's inside. I could have broke into this motherfucker if I could have got in.
So if you want to get this back to normal, when your door is open, roll your window all the way down and just use your knee and just fucking bend it. It'll go back
What,
to
the weather
normal.
seal?
Yeah, your door. Because it'll, not your seal, this will go down once you put it over.
Oh, you're talking about the actual
But
metal,
like,
huh?
yeah, if it's bent at
Yeah.
all, just do that, it'll work, bro. I've done it a lot. So.
Seriously, dude, thank you. I don't even worry about it.
All
As
right.
long as the shit's open. Yeah, you too. Appreciate you. What if my car didn't start just now? So, That's the end of that nightmare. If you're a locksmith from Cedar Rapids, you should be fucking ashamed of yourself because you didn't answer the phone and you just missed out on $130 something that I would have gave you that you could have scalped me for. But honestly, I'm glad that you didn't, because you didn't deserve it. Bryson is the one who was my true hero today. So, Bryson, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Hit me up if I'm rich. By the time you see this, I'll give you $1 million. And Cedar Rapids, I'm not gonna blame you for this. I'm not gonna blame you for this. But I am out because I'm on the way. I just left Illinois. I'm on the way to Colorado now for greener pastures. And by greener pastures, I mean affordable weed. Legal, first of all, and affordable. Most important, second of all. Bye.